Hello everyone, I'm Rich with Corbin Russwin Architectural Hardware. And today's topic is the installation of the Sectional Rose M30 inside trim only option. These are the components needed to complete the M30 installation. Install the half trim adapter to the outside face of the lock body. Use the supplied star washers to secure the half trim adapter to the lock body. With the lock body installed, secure the inside adapter plate. Install the inside spindle and secure with the adjusting bolt. Hand tighten the adjusting bolt and then back off a few turns. Thread on the inside rose. Install the inside lever with the adjusting bolt aligned to the dowel screw hole in the lever. Use the dowel screw to secure the inside lever. Fully tighten the dowel screw. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need technical assistance, please call 888-607-5703, option 1, or email techsupport.corbinrusswin@asaabloy.com. Stay tuned to the Corbin Russwin channel for upcoming tech tips and instructional videos.